Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Oppo A15. And guys, this is a new budget phone from Oppo which is costing around 21,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get the 3 GB of RAM with 32 GB of internal storage, and also on the back we get the triple cameras. And now let's quickly unbox the Oppo A15 and let's see what this Oppo has to offer in this price range. And guys, on the back we get some more specification about the phone. On the back we get the AI triple cameras, and also on the front we get a 6.52 inch 720p IPS LCD display, and also we get a 4230 mAh of battery size, and also we have a fingerprint scanner on the back, and the color I have is the mystery blue color. So now let's open this box like this. Now let's open this box like this, and guys, the first thing we get one more mini box, and you can see, and inside of this little box we get a SIM ejection tool, and also we get a quick start guide as well as warranty card with the Oppo A15, and also we get a soft silicone case with the Oppo A15. That's a really nice thing that you are getting with the Oppo A15. And here is the device, Oppo A15, and again these are the main highlighting feature about the Oppo A15. So now I'm gonna just put the site here, and guys, and the first thing we get a cable, and it is a micro USB cable that you are getting with the Oppo A15. We don't get USB Type-C cable with the Oppo A15, so it is completely fine. We don't get headphones with the Oppo A15, and also we get charger, and you can see. Now let's see the ampere rating on this charger. And ampere rating on this adapter, it is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere, and this is a 10 watt normal adapter that you are getting with the Oppo A15. This phone does not support any fast charging. That is not good. So now let's see the Oppo A15. Now let's put all these things to the side, and here is the Oppo A15. So now let's out the phone from this plastic first, and Oppo A15. And guys, and this blue color looks really beautiful from the back. On the back we get a matte finish which I really like on this phone, although the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. Let's quickly put this phone up, and now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we get a speaker, micro USB port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. On the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. On the top we got nothing. On the back we get a triple camera, so the main sensor on the back it is a 13 megapixel, and also we have a macro and a depth sensor on the back. Fingerprint scanner location, it is also really good on this phone. Again, I really like the design language of the Oppo A15. And here is the display of this phone. On the front we get a 6.5 inch display. This is a 720p IPS LCD display. Now let's quickly set up this phone up. Okay guys, and here is the first boot of the Oppo A15, and you can see. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone give you a pretty good display, although we don't get any high refresh rate display on this phone. And also this phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio P35 processor, and also on the top we get a water top notch. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed on this phone, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone. Now let's see the Android version of this phone. And about phone, you can see that this phone it is running on Android 10, and you can see we don't get Android 11 on the Oppo A15. And also this phone is running on ColorOS version 7.2, and guys, we get 32 GB of internal storage out of 18.9 GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's go to the display section. We also have a auto brightness feature on this phone, as well as dark mode. All those things it is available on this phone. And also this phone feels really light in hand because this phone give you a 4230 mAh of battery size. Now let's see the camera, and on the back we get triple cameras, and the main sensor on the back it is a 13 megapixel, and also we have a 2 megapixel macro as well as a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So here is your camera UI of the Oppo A15, and you can see. And also we have a video section on this phone. Now let's see the video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We don't get full HD 60 fps. And also we have a night mode which is not available on the Samsung Galaxy A02, so that's a really nice addition with the Oppo A15. And also we have a portrait mode which is also not available on the Samsung Galaxy A02. That's really nice as well. In the more section we get some more feature, and you can see we also have a macro mode on this phone, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. And guys, we also have a slow motion on this phone, which is also not available on the Samsung Galaxy A02. That's really nice addition with the A02. And also we have a pro mode on this phone, which I don't expect on this phone, but nice to see that we get a pro mode on this phone. And guys, now let's see the front camera on this phone. And now let's go back, and now let's see the front camera. And guys, on the front we get a 5 megapixels selfie camera, the same as that we get on the Samsung Galaxy A02. The front camera also shoots full HD at 30 fps. On the front we also have a portrait mode on this phone, which is again not available on the Samsung Galaxy A02. And guys, now let's talk about the battery life of this phone. And this phone gave you a 4230 mAh of battery size. We don't get any fast charging on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo A15. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.